Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. This video isn't any tutorial about SD Adventure but a maintenance update of my throttle body before cleaning and after cleaning, as I have done just 15,000 kilometers on my SD Adventure. I wanted to look the throttle body condition and clean it if necessary. This is the throttle body condition. This is an idle pin adjuster, TPS sensor, evap, fuel injector and connections, fuel injector over there, and this is a temperature. This is a TPS sensor and this is a temperature sensor intake. That is a butterfly valve. You can look at the carbon deposits over there from the intake. On the other end, it is too black and lot of carbon deposit over there. We can use a throttle body cleaner and a little bit of petrol to clean the throttle body. I did not put a tutorial as it requires some professional things. You might spoil the sensor over there. So this is the first time I'm removing it. Look at the throttle body and butterfly valve after cleaning. There is a significant difference that is noticeable here. The butterfly valve and its play and that gap tolerances too. So this is how it looks after cleaning. And this is a rollover sensor. It cut off the fuel to the engine when the bike tips over. It resides beside the or behind the monosuspension. And this is a coolant temperature sensor. It also called as water sensor. And that is a fuel pump connected to the fuel injector, and this is auxiliary cable. And this is air resonator, which reduces the turbulence that comes from the intake air hose for the better flow to the throttle body. And beneath the starter motor cover, we have a starter motor and crankcase breather pipe. It is very important pipe that is connected to the air box in which air filter resides in. It helps in relieving the excess pressure in the crankcase by blowing out the excess gas. And we need a hose clamp remover pliers. It makes our job easy. So removing throttle body isn't any easy job. It requires some proficiency over here. So we respect the mechanic over here. And this is breather pipe that is connected to the air box, and this is the throttle body after installation. Back again. And a few details about battery is 3.7 kgs, and the measurements will be displayed on the screen for your convenience and reference. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.